Let's go through some formatting. Let's start with formatting the font. We can bold, we can italic. These are all hot buttons right here on your home ribbon. We can use that paint can to fill a cell. That can be useful to draw attention to a cell. The fill color is shown under the paint can. The little arrow to the right allows you to select other colors to fill. Likewise, the A with the color under it is the font color, and the arrow to the right allows you to select other font colors. Let's look at some of the alignment formatting that we can do. First off, let me give this everything some more room. Under the Home tab, we've got our basic edits, cut, copy, paste, and format. We've then got the font formatting group, so font and font size, borders. We then got a group of alignment. So these are all have to do with alignment. The text automatically right aligns, but we can force it to be centered. We can force it to be left aligned. Numbers automatically left align, but we can choose to right align them or center them. So we've got our horizontal alignment. We've also got vertical alignment. So if I make that cell wider and I want that 5 to be more centered vertically, I can use that to middle it, to go to the middle, to go to the center. This button here with the text and an arrow is allowing you to change the orientation. Let me choose a cell with a little bit more text in it. So I can force that text to be oriented in different ways. Next we have wrap text. Let me put some information in there. So I've put a whole bunch of words in one cell. And what are they doing? Well, they kind of look like they're just flowing over into the cells next to it. They're actually not. If I put anything in a cell next to it, you can see that it just gets cut off. So it's a lot of information. You can see it all there in the formula bar, but you can't see it in the cell. There's not space for it in the cell. We can, first off, wrap the text. And that's going to give us some more space. And as we adjust the size of that cell, we'll be able to see it. We could make it merge and center across a number of cells. So we'd select the cells we wanted to merge and just choose that merge and center. And there's, we can just merge them or unmerge them. Let's put a number in here. So I've just typed the number 4 in cell A1. Under that Home tab, the next group of hot buttons have to do with number formatting. And so that first pull-down menu is saying at the moment it's general, there's no specific format. But we could choose all sorts of different formats here. Currency or date, percentage. Let's try it. Make it a currency. It's automatically added a dollar sign, a decimal, and 2 decimal places. And that was actually also here in this hot button where we can automatically change this into currency or percent, or add a thousand separator. We can increase the decimal, we can decrease the decimal.